Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bytech earbuds. First, make sure your earbuds are fully charged. A full charge ensures a smooth and uninterrupted pairing experience. Next, open the charging case lid. This action automatically puts the earbuds into pairing mode, indicated by a flashing light. This light usually blinks white or blue, signaling they are ready to be discovered by your device. Now, let's pair them with your device. Navigate to your device's Bluetooth settings. This is typically found in the Settings menu. Once there, you should see Bytech earbuds or a similar name appear in the list of available devices. Tap on this name to initiate the connection. Your device might ask for a confirmation, so simply accept the pairing request to finalize the connection. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your earbuds don't connect immediately, try toggling your device's Bluetooth off and then back on. A simple reset of the earbuds can also help. Just place them in their case and hold the button for about 10 seconds. Also, ensure no other devices are currently connected to your earbuds, as they typically connect to only one device at a time. For daily use, reconnecting is super easy. Your Bytech earbuds are designed to automatically reconnect to the last paired device. Just open the charging case near your device, and they should connect within a few seconds. You can enjoy approximately 4 hours of listening time on a single charge, and the case provides several additional charges, extending your total usage significantly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.